Hello and welcome to this video. Here I'll be talking you through how you can use some of the sneaker monitors on my GitHub page. Here we'll be setting these up locally, so that means just on your PC at home. So with that, let's just get started. So first thing you want to do is download Python if you don't have Python already. So you can download Python on this website here, which is the official Python website. When you get on it, you can click the downloads button and it'll take you through this page. You can download any of Python 3, so Python 3.91 would be perfect. Once you've done that, you can also download pip. Pip is a Python package installer, so this will give us a lot more functionality and will allow the code to work better. So you can install pip through this documentation here. Use this to get pip, and then use this to install it. So once you've done that, now you need to download all the files from GitHub. There's a few different ways you can do this. So if I just bring up the GitHub website, so this is the monitors. What you can do is you can click this green code button and click download zip. Or you can, if you have Git installed, you can use Git to clone the repo. So if we just download the zip file, there we go, and we can then extract everything here. There we go, perfect. So we don't really need that, we can just bin that. So once you've done that, you can then install all the dependencies. The way we do this, we go into terminal or command prompt in Windows, and what you want to do is you want to navigate to this directory, the sneaker monitors directory that we have here. When you do that, you use the cd command, which means change directory, and so right now we're in the user folder, which is, for me, is a yes. I don't know why they messed up the R, but now we move into the desktop. And then we can move into sneaker monitors. I think it's master. Don't know why it does that, but here we go. So now we're inside here. We can have a look at what's in the folder. So what we can use is the dir command. In command prompt in Linux or Mac, you can use ls. Here we go. Okay, so we need to navigate again. So if you want to see what we're doing, we're going in this folder and then we're going in this folder again. So now we can have a look at what's in here. It's in the dir command. And look, it's exactly the same. So like I said, in terminal, on Linux and Mac, you just use ls. So what we want to do now is install all the dependencies. So we can see the requirements.txt file. And now we can use pip to install everything there. So we can do pip install -r requirements.txt. So that installs everything in there. I've already got everything installed, so it just says requirement already satisfied. You probably have a lot of download bars coming up. Once that's complete, we can then move on to changing some of the details in the .env files. So how we do that is, okay, let's set up the sneakers monitor. So we can go into the sneakers monitor. Yep. Now you see there's 3 things in here. There's the .env file, the readme, and the sneakers monitor Python file. So all we need to do is use the .env file. So what we can do is just type in .env, and it should just open the .env file in Notepad or something else. Okay, with this you can then change all the details you need. So you can add in your webhook, you can change your location, you can add a delay. If you have any proxies, you can also add them in here. You can also use multiple proxies. You have to space them out using a percentage sign. add some keywords, and if you feel like you can change some of the features of the Discord bot. So let's try this. Okay, so now I've created this server. The way you create the webhook, you click if you want it on a particular channel, edit channel, integrations. I've already got a webhook here, but you can click new webhook and you just copy it. You don't have to change any of these details. This should be the channel it's in. So now we've got that. You can just paste it in here. I'm going to paste it in on the side. And once you've done that, you can just close it, and you save it and close it. So now we've changed the .env file and we put in our webhook. We can now run the Python file. So what we do is we just type in Python. Sometimes you write Python 3, sometimes Python, sometimes py. But for me it's Python sneakers monitor.py. So now we're using Python to run the sneakers monitor here. I'm going to click that. Just give it a second. Starting monitor, and it's delivered a payload. So you see it's already sent the payload here. And that's more or less it. You just have to wait. The way the monitor works, it will keep running through the sneakers website, and it'll post any changes on the website onto Discord. So this is, again, like I said, on your local machine. So once you close this, it stops running the file and the monitor doesn't work anymore. The way you keep the monitor running is either hosting on a server or on a Raspberry Pi or something of that sort. And I'll be talking through those in the next videos. So yeah, thank you for watching. And in the next video we will go through how to set this up on a server. And I'll see you there.